Hola, Spanish Pro! If you have 5 minutes, then you have no excuses. You can learn conversational Spanish too. Every Spanish learner needs to be exposed to many Spanish speakers, as many as possible. It's the perfect natural way to learn conversational Spanish that we use in real life. In this video today, I would like to share with you a phrase from my interview to Gretchen, a native Spanish speaker from Puerto Rico. While native speakers use this structure all the time, not many learners do. So let's learn this new structure so you can use it in your next conversation. I asked Gretchen what life was like in Ponce, Puerto Rico, and this is what she answered.
Pues acá tiende a ser bastante tranquilo. Es bastante tranquilo, la verdad.
Could you get what she said? Let's play this mini clip twice more.
Pues acá tiende a ser bastante tranquilo. Es bastante tranquilo, la verdad. Pues acá tiende a ser bastante tranquilo. Es bastante tranquilo, la verdad.
Did you get it? She said, pues acá tiende a ser bastante tranquilo. Es bastante tranquilo. Well, here it tends to be pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet. Now, here's a great phrase. Tender a, to tend to have a tendency to be usually like that. Por ejemplo, mi vecina Karen tiende a exagerar todo. Karen, my neighbor, tends to exaggerate everything. Another example. Mi esposa dice que tiendo a dejar todo para más tarde, pero es mentira. My wife says I tend to leave everything for later, but that's a lie. Now it's your turn. Give an example, write an example using this phrase in the comment section below. I promise you that I will read it and I'll give you my feedback too. If you like this content, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell. And if you want more quality content to improve your conversational skills, please check out my Patreon channel. You'll love it. And you can also find this whole interview there with more examples on vocabulary. Remember, my name is Julio Foppoli, and I want you to speak Spanish like a pro. Nos vemos pronto. Chao, chao.